Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. In the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, November the 21st, 2023, already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. This one is definitely 4 stars. Two puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary, and it's binary time, yes. Binary time. Number 7488. 7488. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 18 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. A binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column. No, always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two 1s comes an O. Between two 1s comes an O. Here we have 3 O's. If we place number 4 there, then we have 3 1s in a row. In this row, not allow one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. If I place the 4th O there, then we still have 3 1s in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Okay, here we have 3 O's in this row. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. 4 1s we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And let me see, double O here one, there one. Double 1 here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here in the last row, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. And between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here one, there one. Double 1 here no, there no. Between those comes in 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here no, there no. Double 1 here no, there no. Finished in 3 minutes. Solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.